Dear student friends, in the last class we concluded our discussion with some confusing prepositions, and then I told you that there are some situations and some sentences where we can even skip the usage of prepositions. Now let us look at those situations where we can delete or we can skip prepositions in a sentence. When we have words like home, mane, downtown, uptown, inside, outside, downstairs, upstairs. So when we use these words in a sentence, we can skip the usage of preposition. ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ಶಬ್ದಗಳು ಬಂದಾಗ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಪ್ರೆಪೋಸಿಷನ್ನ ಬಳಸುವ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. We can skip them. Example, grandma went upstairs. Upstairs ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಮೇಲಿನ ಮಹಡಿ. ಈ ಮೇಲಿನ ಮಹಡಿ upstairs ಒಂದೇ ಶಬ್ದದಲ್ಲಿ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಷನ್ನೂ ಇದೆ, ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗುವ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಷನ್ನೂ ಇದೆ ಮತ್ತು ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗುವಂಥ ಮಹಡಿಯ ಒಂದು ರೆಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಎರಡೂ ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ. ಹೀಗಾಗಿ we don't use the preposition I went to upstairs. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನೋಡಿದರೆ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಬೇರೆ ರೂಮಿಗೆ ಹೋಗೋದಾದರೆ we quite oftenly use I am going to that room, I am going to this room. ಆದರೆ ಮೇಲಿನ ಮಹಡಿಯ ಒಂದು ಕೋಣೆಗೆ ಹೋಗುವಾಗ ಅಥವಾ ಕೆಳಗಿನ ಮಹಡಿಯ ಒಂದು ಕೋಣೆಗೆ ಹೋಗುವಾಗ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ನಲ್ಲಿ we can skip the use of to. I go to upstairs is wrong. I go upstairs, I go downstairs, I run upstairs, I run downstairs. This will do the work. You need not use the preposition to here. When we use the word home, I am going to home. No, not required. Earlier it was required, but in the modern grammatical rules, ಮನೆಗೆ ನಾನು ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೇನೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ in the modern usage of English we can skip the word to and we can directly say I go home, he goes home, he walks home, because home is the most familiar place where we go every day. I go home ಅಂದರೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಲಿಟ್ರಲಿ ನಾವು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಅನುವಾದ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಇಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ನಾನು ಮನೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೇನೆ, ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೇನೆ ಅನ್ನೋ ಬದಲು ನಾನು ಮನೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೇನೆ ಅಥವಾ ಮನೆ ಸೇರುತ್ತೇನೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಏನು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಳಸ್ತೇವಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದು ಸಮಾನವಾಗಿದೆ. ಐ ಗೋ ಹೋಮ್, ಐ ರೀಚ್ಡ್ ಹೋಮ್, ಐ ವಾಕ್ ಹೋಮ್. ಅದೇ ಥರ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ರೆಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಡೆ ಟು ಪ್ರೆಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್, ದೇ ಮೇಡ್ ಮೈ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ವರ್ಕ್. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ರಿಯಾಪದ, ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಲು ಕೊಟ್ಟರು. ಟು ಬರಬೇಕು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಗ್ರಾಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕಲಿ. ಇಫ್ ವಿ ಲುಕ್ ಎಟ್ ದ ರೂಲ್ಸ್, ದ ವರ್ಡ್ preposition to should be used here. They made them to work, but in some situations they made them work is also fine. To is not incorrect, but it can be skipped. They made him understand the lesson very well. They made him to understand the lesson very well. You can remove the preposition to. Please go inside the classroom. So I can skip the preposition to here. Please go to inside the classroom. No, please go inside the classroom. It represents the action again, moving from outside to inside. Don't go outside because it is raining. See, when we say inside and outside, we are not referring to a particular location. Particular location iddaga, see, outside is just a space. ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಡ, ಒಂದು ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಜಾಗದ ಹೆಸರು ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಆವಾಗ ನಾವು ಟು ಅಂತ ಬಳಸ್ತೇವೆ. ಬಟ್ ವೆನ್ ವಿ ಡು ನಾಟ್ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫೈ ದ ಲೊಕೇಶನ್, ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಡ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕಲಿ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಂಥ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸ್ಕಿಪ್ ದಿ preposition to, or rather here we have to skip the preposition to. They say don't go outside or go outside. There is another sentence, another situation where you can again skip the preposition to. He went abroad. My friend stays abroad. Abroad ಅಂದರೆ ವಿದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ. ವಿದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋದನು. He went abroad. Actually, Videsha is a different location. So, you have to use the word to as per the grammatical rules. But ವಿದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾನೆ ಅಥವಾ ವಿದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋದನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವಾಗ ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ನಿರ್ದಿಷ್ಟವಾದ ದೇಶದ ಹೆಸರು ಅಥವಾ ಬೇರೆ ಒಂದು ಊರಿನ ಹೆಸರು ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ವಿದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ ಮೈಟ್ ಬಿ ಎನಿ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ ಅದರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಓನ್ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ. ಇನ್ ಸಚ್ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ಸ್ you have to skip the usage of the preposition to. He went to abroad is wrong. You can say he went to England, I go to London, I go to Paris, my friend goes to Luxembourg. Here I am mentioning a particular city or a town or a particular country outside my own. In such situations I have to use the preposition to. But when I just say my friend is going to a foreign country, I don't know which foreign country he is going to. In that situation I have to say, just say my friend is going abroad. Where exactly I don't know. Now let us have some brief exercises. There are some small questions, easy questions for you. You can see in this slide here. So as you can see here, I have given some brief exercises, some brief sentences to make you understand how we have to use the prepositions. You can try them and write down the answers when you do this exercise. In the next class, I will tell you which is the right answer. First question, her bag was dash the chair. Her bag was dash the chair. I have given two options. You have to fill in the correct one. In or under the chair. Second one, they arrived dash Sunday. Options, at or on Sunday. Third, shortly dash their marriage they moved to India. Over or after. The train is due dash 12:15 p.m. at or on. She lived there dash 7 years. Since or for. He has worked here dash 1970 from since. I am going dash home. Options, to home or no preposition at all. Next, would you like to come home dash me, with or beside. Let's have some more questions. We live dash London, in or on. Next, would you like to go to, oh sorry, I told the answer. So the answer here is obvious. Would you like to go to the cinema tonight? Now you might get confused why I used the preposition to here. Actually the cinema here means the cinema house. Okay, the cinema house. Cinema does not mean a film. If it is just a film, then you can use for. Would you like to go for a film? Okay. Next, we are going dash holiday next week. Options, to or on. There is a bridge dash the river. Across or over. Dash my wall there are many picture postcards. Onto or on. Who is the person dash this picture of or in. Come dash the sitting room. We want to watch TV. To, into. Munich lies 530 meters dash sea level. Over or above. So you try to find answers to all these questions and try to fill in the blanks. In the next class, I will give you the correct answers to these questions. Till then, you practice these. Thank you.